AI is writing apps, fixing bugs, and even passing coding interviews at companies like Google. So naturally people are asking, is it still worth to learn how to code in 2025? If AI is doing everything, then what's the point of spending months in learning programming? Today let's answer that question honestly. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about tech, AI and future of work in a way that's very easy and fun to follow. If you have ever doubted if software development is still relevant in the age of AI, then I will try to give you some clarity in this video. Let's start with the obvious. AI can do a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to coding. Tools like ChatGPT, Cursor AI, Devin AI or Claude, they can start writing code from scratch, they can build apps and they can even help you with debugging errors and solve competitive programming problems. Some of them have already passed coding interviews that can trip up human developers. So is AI better than a beginner? In many ways, yes. If you're brand new to software engineering, AI can definitely write code faster than you. But here's the thing, AI is excellent at writing text that looks like code, but it doesn't actually understand the why behind the code. It doesn't understand your business problem, your users, or even the trade-off that comes with the real-world systems. This is where human developers come in. Think of AI as the world's fastest intern. It can generate work at lightning speed, but it needs direction. Who decides which problem to work on? Who checks if AI's solution is actually secure, scalable, or even logical? Who makes sure that the app actually fits the use case of the customers? This is where developers will play a bigger role. Software development has never been about writing thousands of lines of code. It's about creative thinking, problem solving, and system design. These are the things AI still struggles with. It can give you 10 different solutions, but it takes a human to pick the right one for the right context. In other words, coding is just a tool, but thinking like a developer is the real skill. So what does this mean for someone starting today as a developer? Should you stop learning how to code? Absolutely not. It just means that your role as a developer is evolving. Any developer who ignores AI will quickly fall behind, but any developer who learns how to use AI tools will be successful. AI shifts your focus away from writing every single line of code towards knowing what to ask AI, checking and refining its output, and spending more time on design, architecture, and creative problem solving. In fact, learning how to code in 2025 is actually easier than ever. You don't have to sit through endless tutorials anymore. You just have to pick a project, let's say like a weather app or a portfolio website, and just build it alongside the AI assistant like Cursor AI or Devin AI. AI will explain errors, suggest code, and acts like your 24/7 tutor. That means you're not just memorizing syntax, you are actually learning by doing, which is the fastest and most effective way to grow as a developer. AI isn't here to replace developers. It's here to replace the repetitive, boring tasks of coding and also help you to accelerate your learning. Developers who thrive will be the ones who combines their strong fundamentals with AI as their Copilot. So, is software development still relevant in 2025? The answer is 100% yes. But the definition of a developer is evolving. You are not someone who just types code anymore. You are the one who can direct, amplify and refine the code which AI produces. If you start today, you won't be just learning coding basics. You will be learning how to think like a developer and how to use AI. This will put you way ahead of the curve. And in my next video, I will share you the step-by-step beginner's roadmap to learn software development today, right from choosing your first language to what kind of projects you can work on and also how to use AI to learn more faster. So stay tuned for the part 2 of the video and make sure you are subscribed. Until then, stay curious.